Hello everyone, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make these two super cute hairstyles which are rope braid hairstyles, and it will not take more than 2 minutes, I'm sure, but you need to do a little bit practice. Without talking too much, let's get started. So for the first hairstyle, I've already done side parting and taking small section. I'm making rope braid. You'll get to know when you will watch this video further how exactly rope braid is made. Then I secured it with tic-tac pin at the back. Then repeating exactly same process on the other side also. I'll secure this section also at the back with tic-tac pins like this. So for the rope braid, you need to do little bit practice. It's not that difficult. So this is hairstyle number 1. Now let's move to second hairstyle. So for the second hairstyle, I have already done center parting, then taking small section and making rope braid again. So here you can see clearly how I'm making rope braid. I divide it into 2 equal sections, then I'm twisting it 3 times. One section I'm repeating, twisting 3 times, and I'm not doing anything with the other section, then twisting these 2 sections together the way I'm doing. Just watch it carefully and practice. So after completing this, I secured it with rubber band. Now I'm repeating exact same process on the other side also. You can clearly see how easy is that. I'm making it very easily. You can also do it. Then again I'm going to secure this also with rubber band, then secure both sections together at the back side with the help of any stylish clip. If you like this video, then press that like button. It means a lot to me, and become part of my family, this charming family, by subscribing to my channel. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye, take care.